In this video, we will take a look at polymorphism and how it relates to classes in Python. The word polymorphism itself means many forms, and in programming it refers to methods and functions with the same name that can be executed on different objects or classes. Polymorphism is generally implemented using overriding. So let's head over to PyScripter and look at overriding the speak method for our animal class that we saw in the previous video. Okay, so we are back in PyScripter and we have the code from the previous video. And we're going to look at polymorphism with our speak method. We want our dog and our cat to be able to speak their different language. We'll create a method in our dog class and we will name it speak, just like from the superclass, and this is called overriding. We provide in self and we will return, we'll use string formatting and we'll say self dot name woofs. We will now go down to our cat and we will create the same method. We'll add in self and we will return self dot name meows. Okay, I can see I am making a mess of this because I've not put in our curly braces for our formatting, but you guys noticed that, right? I could hear you shouting at me. Let's run our code as is, and we can see we get Spot woofs and Felix meows. So we have successfully overridden the speak method from the superclass. When you're defining your custom classes, it'll be up to you to decide whether it's going to be a hierarchy and which methods you are going to implement. You then create custom subclasses where you can pick and choose what to override or not from the superclass. So polymorphism has allowed us to capture an action for our animals, but tailor the action to each individual class of animal. In this video, we got a quick introduction to polymorphism in Python as it relates to classes and objects. We are only really scratching the surface with object-oriented programming of Python, so I would urge you to do a deeper dive when you have time and do your own research and take that knowledge and put it into your reference workbook where you can reference it in the future as needed. To be honest, I rarely implement classes in my daily activities, but they are very important to understand for software development. My main focus is generally on writing Python scripts to chain geoprocessing tasks together to improve efficiencies over manually processing data. If you ever find you need to create your own custom objects, you will go down the class route.